Please subscribe and press the notification bell.
Welcome to Brahmi Creation. Today I am doing simple baby kuchu design which requires scissor, big eye needle, small eye needle, glue, silk thread and zari thread. Take this size of notebook or a cardboard where I am taking 60 strands of silk thread. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Cut the thread. Glue one side of the thread. Let it dry for few seconds. Insert the bunch of silk thread into big eye needle. Cut the glue part. Equal both the side. Trim the thread here. Insert zari thread into small eye needle where I am taking 4 strands of zari thread. Insert needle into saree. Where I am taking 4 strands of zari thread, insert the needle in between the silk thread. Pull it out. Hold the end. Make a knot. Where I am making 3 knots here. Insert the needle from middle. Pull it out. Cut the thread. Put the finger here. Repeat the process. Make a 3 knot. Those who don't know how to knot the kucha, watch it carefully. Insert the needle, pull the thread, then insert small needle in between the silk thread like this, pull it out, hold the end of zari thread. Then pass the needle like this. Repeat the processing. Where I am making 3 knots. Then pass the needle here. Pull it tightly.